What's up guys, it's V. Welcome back to my channel. I have another package from one of those charm shops that I recently shared, KosblingSupermix. They were in my charm haul video. I will make sure to link it for you if you want to see that. But I just got another package from them, which I already ruined the box. But I wanted to unbox it with you. I'm super excited. I think I have a couple of bentos in here, which are those square ones there that they decorate. So I really wanted to show you guys. Before I get into this, make sure you like this video if you like it, and make sure you subscribe. And let's go ahead and break into this box. Also, let me know if you guys like this type of video, if you even care about these little TikTok shops, because if you do, I'll continue doing them, and if not, then well, I just won't do them. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. First thing I see is a little baggie. I wouldn't say it's like a tote bag because I think you can see how like thin it is. I don't know what kind of like material this is, but it's cute. It's still a little drawstring bag. I think this is new for them because I don't remember seeing this before. So that's nice. That's one of those little freebies, and it comes with the standard stickers and thank you card. So I did order a couple of bentos from this live. So this is from Miki's live. Unfortunately, her sister Claire does not do her lives anymore, which is so sad. My bentos and orders will be coming from Miki. Okay, and as I mentioned before, so with their mixes, every day they come out with new mixes and they do a promo. If you buy the mix that day, then you will get pretty much buy one, get one equal volume. I bought 2 bentos this day, and one bento is 460 mLs, which means that you would get 920 mLs for the price of one bento. So that's how that works. And also, if your order is over 100, you can choose to upgrade a bento, which means that instead of getting a 460 ml container, you would get your stuff in a 950 ml container, which you technically would get 30 mLs more if you do that. And it'll all make sense once I show you everything. I'm sure like right now it just sounds like numbers to you. I'm so excited for this one. This one, oh, that's so pretty. I think that has to be one of my most favorite bentos. Miki has been killing it with her bentos. Oh yeah. I was excited for this one too. I like that they come like taped up because then the chances of them opening in transit are very slim, which is nice because these are decorated at the top. A lot of the times the customers will actually use these bentos for display, and then they'll use what they call the supplements to actually use like in their crafts. And the supplements is the free portion. This is so pretty. So as you saw, everything does come bubble wrapped, which is really nice. They're really good with their packaging. So these here are the supplements, which is the equal volume that you get for free. So these are free. The 2 bentos I paid for. These are the free ones, with the exception of a couple of other mixes that I may have purchased. Here's another freebie. Like I said, they always throw in freebies, and these are some glow-in-the-dark candies. You guys know I love my glow-in-the-dark stuff. So that is them. I have a little like cuckoo bag here that is full of glow-in-the-dark charms, so these are going right in there. Before I show you the bentos, I'm going to show you the random 2 mixes that I got. And I bought 150 mLs for these mixes, so they come with these bear bottles. And these mixes are older mixes, so I didn't get the buy one get one promotion. You just get what you paid for. So this mix is the Merry Halloween. Wait, did I already get this one? I buy this twice. I think I bought this mix twice. Well, this is the Merry Halloween mix, so Nightmare Before Christmas pretty much. And this is 150 mLs, so that's gonna go in there. And then the other mix that I got is the Blasting Off. This is a Team Rocket theme from like Pokemon. That is that. You can see little Pokeballs in there. Of course, I'm gonna show you these up close. So those are the two 150 ml bottles. And now for the bentos, okay? I don't know which one I want to show you first because they're both so good. And they always decorate the bentos differently for everyone. I will start with this one first. This is Squid Games themed. Oh, I love this. So this is Squid Games themed. Do you guys see the little men? The little pink guys? Like what? And then these are all the cookies. Look at how pretty that is. This is what I mean, like a lot of people just use this for display. And then this is what they call supplements that they will actually use for their crafts. So this right here was free. I just paid for this. So I have a bunch of little guys in here. I asked for a little extra of them. Look, they're all just floating in there somewhere. So yeah, you're gonna see these up close. Oh, that's so cool. I was so excited for that mix. Okay, now this one, I think this is my all-time favorite bento that I've seen. Okay, this is Starry Nights. Look how pretty. Hi, you can see me in there. Look at how pretty that is. Like what? And of course, the free supplements. So this right here is also 460 mLs. And so what I meant with the upgrade is that, like I said, if your order is over 100, you can choose to upgrade like one of the bentos. And instead of having the supplements on the side like this, all of your stuff would go in a giant bento. And so a lot of people may not want to do that because they want to actually use the supplements, but if they're all in the bento, they're not gonna wanna mess up the design. You know what I mean? So these are gonna go right up there. I'm obsessed, you guys. So what I've been thinking about doing with my like super mixes is because they're all themed, I think I wanna do like a nail set for each of these themes. You know what I mean? I'll eventually try to do that, but yeah. Let me go ahead and show you these up close so you can see like all the individual pieces that are actually in these mixes because they are so good. All right, you guys, let me put on some lotion here because I am crusty AF. So the first mix I'm gonna show you is the Squid Game mix. Here is the bento again. You can see the little guys. So there's like the triangle cookie, the umbrella, they gave me the star, and then the circle. This is so pretty. I love the glitter. And they got the numbers here, I guess just like for the countdown of people dying. The money, of course. And then the pink guys. Look at how fun that is. So let me pour the supplement out for you. Here you go. So you can see the little cookies in there, the numbers, so many different rhinestones, the little guys. Looks like they're different sizes of the little guys. Oh, and these are clay pieces. Oh, there are two sizes right here. You've got the triangle. Let's see if we could find all the circle. But then we have the cookies. We've got money. Like, isn't this so much fun? Oh, I love these guys. And of course we've got rhinestones, we've got the numbers, which are just like a glitter. I don't know why I said it like that. We've got squares, we've got rainbow glitter, not rainbow, umbrella glitters, star glitters. Literally the perfect Squid Game mix. So cool. So you can see like the size comparison on a nail. And that's the bigger one. Then of course we have the smaller one here. You've got the cookie, the money cookie. Yeah. So that is the Squid Game mix. Let me just grab my trusty dusty shovel here. Scoop some back into the bag and get a taste of what it's like to see the scooping. It's not satisfying. This company doesn't do scoops. They go by, you know, I don't even know what to call it, but they don't do scoops. Squid Game cereal, anyone? If you don't like glitter, you ain't gonna like this stuff because, yeah, all the mixes pretty much have glitter. But what they have been doing is on Sundays, it's nail charm night. So all their mixes are basically all nail charms, which you know I had to hit up. Here is the bento again, so pretty. I'm obsessed. She did this so perfectly. Wow. And some of the pieces are glow in the dark. So let's take a look at the supplements. Look at this. So pretty. So you've got, these are glow in the dark. The moons are actually glow in the dark. You've got these swirls in here. You've got these like what they call sugar glitters. All these rhinestones. These are so pretty. Look at that. Their mixes are top notch. Like, they come out with the best mixes. So that is Starry Night. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the older mixes. This one here is the Team Rocket mix from Pokemon. This one is called Blast Off, I believe. It's called Blasting Off. And it does have a big charm, which normally they will top off their mixes with a giant charm or something. Got some peace signs, stars. I don't know if this one is glow in the dark. I wouldn't be surprised if there were some female slices in here that are, like, they have these moons and stars that look like they may be glow in the dark. Got the cute little Pokeballs, blue little stars. Looks like there's some paw prints. I'm guessing that's for like Mew. Is that the Pokemon? Mew? Looks like a dolphin in here. Is that a marijuana leaf? I think those are marijuana leaves. Look at all these little tiny moons. So pretty. Don't you just want to like play in this? Oh! Oh! Look what I found. So, there are the two giant charms for this mix. Cute! And if you order 150 mLs, it does come in a bear bottle, so let's try to get some in here. This whole thing should fit in it. Okay, let's see what's the best way to do this. I do want to stick them in here somehow. Perfect. I wish it was a little straighter, but okay. Finish the Team Rocket, so let's go ahead and do the Merry Halloween. This is the Merry Halloween, which somehow didn't realize I already bought. This one's gonna be a lot easier to put in the bear. So this is the mix. This must be a rhinestone mix. And you can see it's got oogie boogie. We've got bats in here. These are a lot of clay slices. We've got the pumpkins. We've got Jack, of course. We've got some bigger, like, bat glitters. This bigger black bat glitter. We've got a bigger spider. I know that there's like a spider web in here somewhere, like a giant one. But yeah, so that is basically what this mix is. I have a lot of like Christmas and Halloween mixes now. So here are my newest members to my bear army. Got Merry Halloween and Blasting Off. And then of course the two newest bentos to my collection. So yeah, that is all for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you want me to keep doing this. You know, I would be happy to do so. If you have any questions about these companies or how these work, let me know. And of course, I will dish out all the secrets. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me as always. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.